Nice lady, you know.
Yeah.
So I told her I ain't got no phone. So I gave her Joseph number. Tell her whenever time she wanna hook up with me, all she have to do when they answer the phone, just say Joseph. This is Juki Chocolate. I wanna speak to him, man. You know what I'm saying?
So, I also have a next donation for you towards your material. And this is from Erica from Canada. So this is $30,000 from Erica from Canada.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Store, man.
Fellas.
You know, say I was at the airport Thursday. I was at the airport, Kino, and seeing this lady, doesn't knew her, man. But like I say something, and I just see the lady turn around and loud scream, "Juki, what's up?" She said, "Yeah, I know. You know, so we watch the program every day. Tell Kino say to bless him up on the dream team." You know what she tell me, Kino? I never know so the people them love me up there, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Last night again I was over there, man. This flight attendant what I'm gonna tell you about from the art of Corona is the first she behold me. And last night she saw me. You see when you see me? You wanna hear the scream? Yeah, bro. Her name is Tony Austin. So Tony, big up to you and all your co-workers.
Yeah.
All Caribbean Airlines, your hostess, big on up. Happy Christmas and New Year. Juki Jam love you all. Last night again, Kino.
Jeez.
Hey, God work, hey, say God, He work mysterious, you know. Alright, the last flight came in last night from Barbados. So,
Good morning.
Morning.
what's up, Diamond? This Juta brethren, he didn't get no work out the flight.
Yeah.
So he said he was heading home. So I said to him, you can leave me at Harborview.
Don't come too far.
You can leave me at Harborview. I will get something to take me to town. Kino, you know by this when me did it, when me go so and ready, the Juta driver missing. I got work, you know.
Yeah.
You see when me I walk, hey Sprague, what's up, man? When me I walk past one brethren, I what you think the man say? Juki, I saw you on Kino program, man.
Yeah.
So his name is Rowan. I told him I gotta big him up. So Mr. Rowan, thanks for that. Oh, Kino, hold on. Let me show you what Rowan gave me last night, man. Yeah, man, he gave me 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
Yeah, and thanks to you, Mr. Rowan. And you can see I'm telling Kino about you, man.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, Kino, the man said the dream team. Oh my God, global all over the world, bro.
Well, I got done.
And this the lady what I tell you I saw Thursday night. Her name is Miss Vivian. She said I must also big you up and big up the dream team. Yes, hey Kino, the Lord is moving mysterious, man. Then this is for the donors now.
Yeah.
Kino, just imagine, look at last year.
Compare.
In the art of Corona, those donors, they didn't afraid. They go out in the streets and get a lot of donation for we people here in Chenstown to upgrade our houses, man. Yeah. We can't stop talking about the donors. And good afternoon to you all from Miami, Canada, London, all about.
All about.
Yeah, Juki Jam, love you, man.
Where you say about them if you get your
Oh my God, Kino, yes. I was so dying to see you come today, man.
Yeah.
Bridget, you see even the coats that girl sent me from London.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I hit me there from morning, you know. Kino, I can't even watch a show. I'm just sleeping away. So what I'm asking you, man, I don't know if you can get me something to take that's I can't sleep, man. Hey, Mr. Ray, even on the floor, me lie down.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So how can I not thank the donors? And Kino too. I'm the Lord God Almighty too, bro.
You say want something for not sleep.
But Kino, you know say enough time when you and the dream team tell me something. I really Thursday night and last time I prove it. I never know so the people them love me over there, bro. And they love to hear when I'm speaking, man.
Yeah, spoken.
Wow! Big up to you all. Donors. I can't stop talk about you people, bro.
Yeah, colors.
Yes, man. In full force.
Oh.
All the next 20 years, man.
Full force.
I will be talking about the donors. Because donors, and I've never expect Kino to bring me that lovely, big, pretty coach Thursday. Say, you know what, Kino? Honestly, it's what I tell everybody. You know what them say? Juki, you gotta assume say Kino and bring more things that people send. Yeah, brother. Kino. But check this, Kino. Look at Jinjin place. Look how it did look. Like a junkyard.
Yeah.
Even around at my place. Ungrateful Prince too. This place it look like a dump heap. And look at our homes now. So what I'm saying, you cannot be ungrateful to people who uplift you, bro.
Yeah,
you must always thank them, bro. Yeah, man, and hustle.
Yo, Jenna.
Them, bro.
Yo. Yeah, man, go along some Aki, man, and get some Aki.
I tell boy, I was telling the worship this morning. I'm not telling Jella. Reggie, just been done global, bro. All over the world, bro. Yeah.
Need more than this?
This? She doesn't like. Alright, cut it.
Can't cook some we're full style already.
Yeah, man. Your style different, man.
Yeah, the wow and the zagazo.
Mix up. Yes, I'll give you mix it up. Yeah, the different cooking one.
Yeah.
I get calm, you know.
You need more Aki than that?
Yeah, man, I want some more. I whip away, you know. I'm walking on that. I'm walking on that. Get some more if I do some more, you know. Yes, sir.
Can't you do some more?
She said, Aki, have Aki. Yeah, man, I want to whip away, you know. Yes, sir, it's good, Jack.
We put this over there.
Yeah.
Stay up on the wires.
Yeah, tell from stairs to the teacher,
Yeah. There, man, have a donation for you, you know.
Yeah.
From where me be, sexy
Bee. Yo, sexy Bee.
See there.
Shit, sexy Bee. Where there, sexy Bee?
There, man, I go.
Yeah, but tell some stairs, isn't it?
Sexy Bee from Canada.
Sexy Bee from Canada, straight.
She's at $4,000.
Oh. What? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sexy Bee, respect you know, everything up you know. Straight love, I hear that. Beautiful love. One team, dream team.
Real team.
Straight, yeah, real team. Yeah, man. Yeah, that Rhyme Bee, sexy Bee. They came from steel.
That I realize.
Yeah.
On the Natisha side.
By not teacher side, you know. I respect to the world, not all they do one of them, you know. Straight love, you know. Beautiful love, you see me?
You see they get some farming equipment already?
Yeah, man, I get them long time.
So
Get
I
some
like
hose
them.
and
Yeah.
some fork and them things, them general. You see me? So they're ready. Yeah, come make them see
Yeah,
what
we
go
can go down there, show them what I go on.
Definitely.
Alright, then I'm surfing that ish.
Ah, we get on.
Natish, send me a cup.
A cup to that is.
Give me a cup. You have one where them say, but not now you just use the welding plan, put it on negative and positive.
And it will.
And just, and the chart same way, so it'll work. Yeah.
Natish. Colors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell you
man.
the celebrity colors.
Oh gosh. I come look for this lovely girl here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You in a bedroom, man.
I can't wait for her cottage to finish, man.
Sure.
Because I want to come choke off in her jacuzzi bed too, man.
Yeah, make him do that, Natisha.
Oh gosh, she can't stop me.
It's a cottage too.
Yeah, she cottage too this, man. She ain't stopping me, man.
Cottage.
I can't wait for her to finish, bro.
Yeah, it's so finished, man.
Oh.
So,
But Kino,
First and foremost, pick up the brownie in the town and mix that.
yeah.
Because I always watch a program and she bless me. Bless you.
See there, I see.
you know what it
Celebrity
is?
now, you know, you're walking away by people see you, you know.
Yeah. And big up all who donate already.
Yeah.
Do it already.
Yeah,
Big up and bless up. One love.
yeah. Can I do as them?
Bless you.
The donors them to them life.
The end.
Yeah. I do
Pick up
as
yourself again, brownie. You know your name.
Yeah, she know
Watch
herself.
it every time. You must know yourself.
she know herself. Big up yourself, bro, and you know yourself. Because the donors them to them like the changes with them say by you more and more, you know. Them like it because them can see the potential and the smile as well. From where it's coming from to where it's going now, you know. So it's very pleasant. It's like colors. Man will transform, like transformer.
You know what, Kino, you know what I want Natasha to do? Try
Keisha.
and twang, not Keisha. I want her to try and twang like how I'm twanging.
Not much. I hear her style because you've been to the airport.
Oh,
You fly far already.
Oh my gosh, she can't twang then.
Yeah.
So what about the dream team? None of them can twang neither?
No, you're alone.
Oh my
Can
god.
you mingle with the foreigners them daily?
That's what I'm saying,
You know
man.
what I mean? So you're either right next to the plane daily.
You know them.
But hey, Kino, this is the hero horses when I tell you about. From Corona, you know, she don't seize me. So when I saw her last night, I was saying, damn, wonder if I'm seeing triples,
Not
not doubles, triples. So I heard when the person said Juki, and they gonna scream. You know, you want to see people that look at me at the airport. You want to hear some Juta driver, but Juki, I know my sister, you're the real big man. Me say, didn't you know? I am the big man long time, man.
Long time.
Oh my gosh.
Just I know.
Yeah, Kino, she have $2,000 in her and she gave me 1,000. So you say she did have even 5,000. She would probably give me even 3,000. Nice lady, you know.
Yeah.
So I told her I ain't got no phone. So I gave her Joseph number. Tell her whenever time she wanna hook up with me, all she have to do when they answer the phone, just say Joseph. This is Juki Chocolate. I want to speak to you, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But Kino, oh my gosh. Say all you, oh my god. Kino, I can't stop big up and talk about you, bro. And if the donors them ever know Juki love them, I say, Jesus.
Glory be to the Almighty, you know it.
Sir, Kino, me say at the first for this long while, me never sleep, so. Kino, me just sleep. I say, well, everybody have to say, then Juki, you take sleeping pill.
Yeah,
I said, no man, I'm so comfortable, man. The jacuzzi, bed and the jacuzzi sofa. Oh my god.
So you have double jacuzzi right now.
Wow.
So double trouble.
Sometimes I try on the floor, and it's the same thing. So
a triple jacuzzi you have, man.
my gosh. Then you see exactly, especially when I turn on the AC fan. Oh my gosh. So I was saying, I dying to see Kino because I wanna ask Kino Please, if you could get something, buy me something that's I can't sleep, man. Because I'm just sleeping. Kino, right now, I'm not lying to you. Some of the time, I'm afraid to go in the cottage.
Can you go sleep?
Nakisha, you know something? I can't even watch a movie as I start watch a show. So, the show start watching. Me love Kino and love the donors. But what I'm saying, Kino, I don't know. The bridging next door, this girl here. Why did he do that?
Man, leave everything to the Almighty.
Yeah. People can't help you like that, and you know, you turn your back on them. That's not right, man. You're gonna fall, man.
Leave everything in the hands of the Almighty, yeah?
Real.
So
Kino, that is why
we keep focus forward.
Everybody, when I'm at the airport, even in December, every person has to get our flights, and they came outside and they saw me. They said, Juki, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you, boy. You're the man of the dream team, man. The people them love you so much. They love to hear you speaking, man.
Spoken.
Oh my gosh.
She's spoken.
Yeah. The amount of people want to find out if I used to live in the States. People have to, Ajit. People have to tell them, no. Juki didn't live in the States, you know.
Sure.
He hung out at the airport for a couple of years, see passengers getting off the flights, and heard the twanging, man. So, he just adopted the twanging.
You can't kill him.
Oh my gosh.
Me used to it.
Kino, you see, even in Trenchtown here, more while me a talk and hear the dream team them now, Juki, you need to calm down. You don't reach foreigners yet, man. But I say, yo.
Boy, I only want to see you reach, because if you reach, boy, you start to speak Chinese.
Oh my
a Chinese you speak, because if you are twangs already, you never fly. A Japanese, everything.
So, no more, man.
Alright, then I'll cut your twang in now,
yes,
Mr. Colors.
Oh my gosh.
And give the teacher some attention now.
This is right.
Is it like you're there, I keep our company?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can continue to do so. It's a beautiful day. Just give thanks to the Almighty, you know.
Always.
So the journey still a continue and the work still a put in. So they know the work of them doing and the work of one.
That is amazing.
Yeah, so that is amazing. So I also have a donation for you. And this is for you to take out your internet broadband. Yeah, so this is from let me get the name right. Her name is Diane and Daniel. It says Diane and Daniel from Freeport, Bahamas. Yeah, from the Caribbean. She's a regular watcher of the program, and she heard me mention about the internet and the kids them going by Boys Town School. Yeah, so she provide you with some money to do the installation. So $13,000 from Diane and Daniel from Freeport, Bahamas to install your internet. Diane and Daniel.
Thanks a lot, Diane and Daniel. May God continue to bless you always. May your basket never be empty. May it always be overflowing. Well, I'm going to keep this right now. The bank accountant is watching the star because the next kids are at home.
Yeah. The accountant. See, the accountant. We had to eat out the star. You have to pay for that when you eat, right? Nah, eat out the star, you know. Yeah, so you can go whenever you have the time to go by the floor. Because floor the right thing to check out floor. You know, you can go take it to. So they can do it now if you can get a date. So then I get a long date right now. So I also have a next donation for you towards your material. And this is from Erica from Canada. So this is $30,000 from Erica from Canada. Erica from Canada.
Thanks a lot, Erica from Canada. May God continue to bless you. Always and your family. May your basket never be empty. May it always be overflowing. In Jesus' name.
Amen. So we give thanks to the
Thanks a lot
donors.
again for the donation, for the Wi-Fi. May God continue to bless you. Always. Always.
So,
And you saw things work in mysterious ways. Come here and you look a bit upset because they say you because the kids them night with them schoolwork.
okay.
Yeah, because you say
I say class start this morning. No Wi-Fi is at Boystone from last month. I don't know what's the problem.
there's no
I don't know
Wi-Fi.
what is happening. We call them teacher, but I'm still not getting them, so we don't know what is going on.
Yeah. And
You
look
know,
at
for
that.
the big boy, I'm supposed to go to school tomorrow to check out to get work. And I don't know.
No internet. And look at that. And then
God is always
God is good.
all the time. All the time He's good.
He's looking out and right away that's where someone send something towards the internet straight away. I will give thanks to that. So at least now we can get started. So with the advisor, if you not have nothing idea, your accountant can go and watch your style there, you overflow so they can put in a date and get it started out, you know. So it's like great. So the quicker the better them can do them work. So we give thanks to the donors then. Marvin! Yeah,
Big up yourself down in again.
yeah, every time. Alright then. So I make 2 walk and
Dream
come
team.
back.
Big up the dream team always. Big up Father God. Big up yourself.
Every time.
Blessing.
Colors! So I make
I'm here
a
in
walk.
full force, bro. Yeah.
So ready now? How much at that t-shirt again? Alright. Wow, chef.
No, I'm
And the
just-
Zaga Zow, chef.
Yeah, man, come up on the ground, you know.
So,
Yeah, man.
them want to see you now.
Apron.
Apron.
Yeah, man, put you on top of the ground, you know.
And your chef hat. And you know the short one, you can
Magical,
you
yeah,
magical. So the wow chef, them have on them thing.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Can't sit down the
Official.
road, I live in can't sit down the road.
What them there, man, I work with them idea.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.